vis-a-vis autonomous state movement in Kardianglong and Dima Asam. Published on the occasion of 30th Foundation Day of the Autonomous State Movement Committee on 17 May 2024. Though the 6 was implemented in 1952 for the administration of the hill tribals in Northeast India, a feeling of discontentment over the quantum of autonomy surfaced to the fore as early as in 1954, when a meeting of all autonomous councils under the 6th rule was convened by D.M. Roy, the CEM of Khasi and Jantia Autonomous Council, to demand separate state and amendment of the 6th rule. The imposition of Assamese language by the Assam government in 1960 as the official language on 22nd April hastened the demand for statehood by the tribals. When all leaders of the hill tribals met at Tura in Garo Hills on 28 April 1960 to oppose the imposition of Assamese language, initially snowballed itself into statehood movement and decided to form All Assam Hill Leaders Conference (AAHLC), which was later renamed as All Party Hill Leaders Conference (APSLC). Unlike the present APSLC, where no political party is represented, the APSLC that was formed in 1960 was represented by the Congress, Eastern India Tribal Union, Meghalaya, Garo Union within bracket Garo Hills, Mio Union within bracket Mizoram, Tribal Union, Dima Asam, and hence the name All Party Hill Leaders Conference (APSLC). It is pertinent to mention that Nagas under the Naga National Council (NNC) did not join the APSLC-led statehood movement, smelling a rat in the politics since the beginning, and went their own way, and finally they achieved statehood in 1963 on December. After some time, the Mijos left the APSLC movement in 1963, following their assessment that it would be betrayed, went their own way, got Union Territory in 1972, and finally separate state in 1987. Meanwhile, Karbi and Dimasas continue to remain good boys of the APSLC and the Congress till the end, and that is why they have to pay heavy price for that. Even the Asdc accord na mata implement kami bela. Implement no prote mata pinangan sisilo jako na hehi. Election ni na campaign ilong ko. Long leg ko yung yapan joy ko ko len election na lam. Protect yapan long lo. Yo na song lasi nang itu mat truben no ni pong ni yung rat ang tuni. Yan itu Asdc apa ka song inton kan. Cisong om na. Lapan ni itu Asdc lo. KSA lakan KNC itu lakan mereka Asong kan. Lasi election rank seta high seta ni itu Cisong om ni. Lakan pina bakang ke Asdc Foundation day lo bukan tani dipulo. Pinangan major places along ni Asdc Foundation day. Orang bilang sekali aku sabi ni. Talong zik dipulo hamai na long ko dianga long ko lakan talong kapay kajironga sakkan itu ni lakan bukayan yang dapat ni. Long nilip tertuju gini, sampai nang namanya proses orang ini. Masalah soal kami rata kami turun jatuh hal. Nilip itu mana? Harus pergi gitu je loh. Bas karya dia polisi loh. Nanti parti nanti kuat. Harus nilip itu loh. Rata kami itu di mana? Foundation dia mengatakan dulu. Lakukan ke? Non kita ambil ni. Kasih semua program. Tampil, hai army berjaya, hai dharna, hal-hal itu kami. Nanti cerah, kasih turun jatuh hal. Saya ini cuma parti, Central Sarkar itu, State Sarkar itu nangkang hon nangkang, upaya apa? Cisong dulu, rapor pak cisong dulu, Asdc KNC itu menjawab, pasti nanti korban, sign dulu, Kalau bangsa period even di masa student union, BSU, non National Student Federation, di masa penyelidikan, were part and parcel of the movement, they were also signatories to the accord. None of you, I just saw that. PLT itu puno, UPDS itu puno, Asong Trok itu puno, MOS itu punya mana? Central, state Sarkar itu nangkang hon nangkang Yusuf dan kacau song mengelos kilo. Kacau song mesti layan tak? Sekian. Kalau kau tak kena itu, pindah ke Asdc, arta minat kau kemana nak kepeng, kepeng kau pindah. Asli Asdc Foundation day lo, election code of conduct and enforcement. Like a do airport, and negative mass gathering. So kan ke ilong wet centrally lah, so kan kita along sini depot major place, Amrena son, Dongpa son, Denggang son, Dipu, atau itu Bokayang, Kaciroma, tenang major place along Boji. Langsung hak si ini press pit, nanti hak. Data press look ni di Hidat.